Hi, this is the team of Mike, Chris and Luke Haas with Realty One Group Gold Standard. You are invited to view this beautiful co-op unit 206 at 301 South Home Avenue. Located at the Kingston in Avalon, this lovely unit boasts a large bedroom, an updated bathroom, a dining room, a fully equipped updated eat-in kitchen with island and a private balcony. You will appreciate the security of this building as you enter the lobby. As you enter, the spacious living room invites you to relax. Enjoy the view from your private balcony. Entertain your guests in the dining room. Just steps away from the updated fully equipped eat-in kitchen. The large bedroom has plenty of closet space. The clean updated bathroom boasts a step-in shower. The light and bright dressing area includes vanity sink with large mirror and plenty of drawer space. This incredible party room with rooftop views makes the perfect venue for any special occasion. Perfect for catching a dazzling firework display. You will love the convenient location. Only minutes to restaurants and shopping with easy access to I-279, Route 19, public transportation and walking distance to the Bellevue Business District with restaurants, grocery stores and specialty shops. With an updated bathroom, a fully equipped updated eat-in kitchen with island, newer air conditioner and furnace and plenty of storage, it's ready for you to move right in.